the hills where the morning rise, ancient herbs beneath just sky. Every leaf tells stories untold, more precious than Babylon gold. No chain can bind the righteous flame. Jah know every soul by name. When the chalice lift with humble prayer, peace descend upon the air. The Ganja Covenant, written by the Creator's hand. The Ganja Covenant, roots forever shall stand. Not for greed, not for pride, only truth we testify. The Ganja Covenant, let the children never deny. Babylon fear what them can't own, yet you still blossom from the stone. Every mountain hear the chant, every breeze becomes sacrament. No violence in a Jah decree, only love can set man free. From Kingston streets to Zion Hill, the living promise breathing still. When the fire burn low, faith still glow. When the road get long, love become the song. One heart, one drum, one destiny. The Ganja Covenant, stronger than the walls of hate. The Ganja Covenant, open every righteous gate. Lift your voice across the land, together now we firmly stand. The Ganja Covenant, forever guided by Jah hand. The wind carry the message home. Roots never fade, truth never die. One love forever. The Ganja Covenant, the Ganja Covenant, Ganja Covenant. Roots forever shall stand, not for greed, not for pride, only truth we testify. The Ganja Covenant, let the children never deny. The Ganja Covenant. Inna the hills where the morning rise, ancient herbs beneath the skies. Every leaf tells stories untold, more precious than Babylon gold. No chain can bind the righteous flame. Jah know every soul by name. When the chalice lift with humble prayer, peace descend upon the air. The Ganja Covenant, written by the Creator's hand. The Ganja Covenant, roots forever shall stand. Not for greed, not for pride, only truth we testify. The Ganja Covenant, let the children never deny. Babylon fear what them carry on, yet truth still blossom from the stone. Every mountain hear the chant, every breeze becomes sacrament. No violence in a Jah decree, only love can set man free. From Kingston streets to Zion Hill, the living promise breathing still. When the fire burn low, faith still glow. When the road get long, love become the song. One heart, one drum, one destiny. The Ganja Covenant, stronger than the walls of hate. The Ganja Covenant, open every righteous gate. Lift your voice across the land. Together now we firmly stand. The Ganja Covenant, forever guided by Jah hand. The wind carry the message home. Roots never fade, truth never die. One love forever. The Ganja Covenant, written by the Creator's hand. The Ganja Covenant, roots forever shall stand. Not for greed, not for pride, only truth we testify. The Ganja Covenant, let the children never deny. The Ganja Covenant, stronger than walls of hate. The Ganja Covenant, open every righteous gate. Lift your voice across the land. Together now we firmly stand. The Ganja Covenant, forever guided by Jah hand.
Ganja Covenant, forever stay. Oh, Rastafari. Oh, one love, one heart. Oh, Jah, Jah, Jah. Covenant lives forever. Morning dew upon the leaves.
one love, one heart.